Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. As this new year begins, we are gently healing our relationship with money. Money trauma can come from stress, instability, comparison, pressure, or feeling like there was never enough. It can live quietly in the body as fear, tension, or shame. So today we are not forcing abundance, we are creating safety first. So take a slow breath in and release. This is a new year, and you are allowed to begin again with compassion. I am safe in my body even when I think about money. I acknowledge that my money fears came from real experiences. I release the belief that struggle is the only way to survive. I am allowed to feel calm around my finances. Money no longer has power over my sense of worth. I am learning that stability can exist without constant stress. I do not need to panic to be responsible. I forgive myself for financial choices made in survival mode. I release shame around not having enough in the past. I am rebuilding trust with money one step at a time. I allow myself to go slow as I heal. I am breaking patterns of scarcity that no longer serve me. I no longer expect loss before it happens. I am open to money feeling predictable, steady, and safe. I choose clarity instead of avoidance. I choose self-compassion instead of self-blame. I am allowed to want ease, not just endurance. This new year supports healthier financial patterns. I am creating a future that feels stable and supportive. I trust myself to handle money with growing confidence. Take one final deep breath in and let it go. Healing money trauma is not about perfection. It's about teaching your nervous system that the present is safer than the past. So this year, you are not behind, you are healing. So return to these affirmations whenever you need to, or if you're feeling fear, guilt, or pressure. Each time you do this, you are rewiring your relationship with money. So this is your fresh start, and you are worthy of financial peace. So if this message resonates with you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. So until next time, stay magical, and may the wealth flow to you.